Okay, just set up the serial GVRET connection on COM port 5 with this yoga, and update with the interface now shows GVRET binary. And I'm going to go ahead and minimize, leave this as so. I'm going to go ahead and hit aux. Let's see, let's do that twice. Okay, so ACC I should say. So I just hit the power button twice, and now I'm streaming my data. Great. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and hold the brake. Press, and I don't think it's going to be anything different, I guess. Nice, 0 errors as well. The rate's a little, that's interesting to see a little change in the rate. I recall seeing a little change before. I wonder if streaming data, not much. Maybe it just would change. I don't know. Neat. Okay. So SavvyCam is. I wonder if there's anything for memory optimization to do, data structure wise. So now I get to learn SavvyCam. Oh, I guess it would be saving to like the ESP32 RET. I forget that gentleman's name. I don't think it's Colin Kidders. It's well, if I upload this video, if I post this on YouTube, links, I'll put a link down in the description. It's ESP32_RET. His little device specifically, since this has an SD card reader, it seems like I should add the functionality to save all this data to an SD card and have some kind of like circular buffer data structure, kind of like a video looping for those that might not understand, to just continually save and overwrite the data, the latest data. So then that card would have this information, so that I could just copy the data from the card and then plug it into SavvyCam, and then compare it to, say, the VP or the Autel Maxi AP200 or TechStream or other, say phone recorded or even written down on a notepad, events to correlate with the CAN bus data.